This is a demonstration of setting up an alignable page from scratch, and there are two ways to do it. One is going to alignable.com and clicking sign up. That's one way to sign up, and then you put in your email and information to start. Another is if someone invited you and gave you a link. So we'll do that, and I'll show that as well. So here's a join link. So then you'll enter your email. So go ahead and type in your email. And then click sign up. It's free. And then enter. This will be your name and the business name. So go ahead and type in, and you want to use your real name, and then you want to put in what's the name of the business. Okay, great. Okay, and then we'll hit continue after you've entered that. Now, you're going to need to put in, if you're home-based, your home address, but you'll click do not make it public. And that's to make sure you're not a fake business. Okay? Now, in this case, we've grayed out the home address for confidentiality, but we also, because it's a home-based business, we click don't make it public. Then we click complete profile. To verify your business to join the Creedmoor community, and they have other choices. So we'll put in the cell phone number to verify by SMS. Okay, now it's texting a number, and read off the number. This is a one-time number, so you don't have to keep track of it.
326.
326.
265.
Now what's going to occur is you can have it import your email list if you want. And what I recommend is if you do it, you only select businesses you want, or you can skip it. So in this case, we're just going to skip it. Okay. To just simplify things, we won't be doing it. What I recommend is if you bring them in, then select them individually. Okay. Then it's going to say we found local business for you to network with. Martin's in your referral network. Click continue because I invited you. Then it'll say, we recommend adding these business to your referral network. And then you can, or you can do it step by step. She's excellent. Pet sitter, add all, or they want to get somebody going at least connecting to. We can skip that if we want to. And then meet more businesses, get your profile ready. I'm an advocate of setting up your profile before you really start connecting to people, because they're going to come back and look at your profile. This was done to make a quick video of just getting it going. So now save time by fetching information from your Facebook business page. We do want to connect to your business page if you have one. So we'll get that. And then go ahead and sign into your Facebook. Okay, so now we've done that. Continue. And good. We want them linked.
Right.
So we got it. And that's the one we want to connect. So make sure you connect the right business page to it. If you have connection to multiple business pages, that would be it.
Okay.
Now it's pulling in the information, so it's easier, the data you've put in about your business, and then you can edit it later. Okay. Then it says add our website. So we know our website, so we'll go ahead and add our website. And www, go ahead, type that in.
Oh.
And we'll click save. Okay, then add the description. So we'll grab the description we've already written up on another page. So it grabbed at least as much as it could. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, there we go. At least 200 words. Oh, we have to say something else. Okay, so there we go.
Looks good.
Good. So we now have a description. You need at least 200 words to get, and you can come back and add later. So we put a description in. Now we can grab your logo, and then now we're going to add a logo, which could be your picture or your logo. So right now we're going to just get your picture and upload it.
Okay.
And then we can see how we can zoom out to crop it. Okay. So that's important to note, that little lever, because people don't always see that. Mm-hmm. Then click save. And it gives you the size limit and dimensions and so forth. So you can utilize that. But, I say try it. If it works, we're good. Now, banner graphic. Let's go get our banner graphic. I really recommend having a banner graphic because it looks nicer. There we go. Then again, we'll zoom out so they'll fit.
Okay.
All right. And then we click save. So it's uploaded. And then add your ideal customer. So this would be homeowners. So then we can always change this, but now we at least have a statement of who our ideal client is. So if somebody wants to help you or they are a customer, they'll go, oh, I'm the right customer for you. So now we've added it. We're going to skip this right now just to get this done and demonstrate it. So here we go. We got a picture. We've got your photo, customer type, your business category. You notice how it's protecting your privacy here. Mm-hmm. How many years have you been doing this? 12 years? Okay. Business tag. So now we have to choose one in house cleaning, home cleaning. There we go, home cleaning. So we have to kind of play and find out what they have. So, okay. So there it says, see, house cleaning, Creedmoor, we've got it. And you can add 2 more tags here if you want. I'm going to let you come back and do this. I just want to get this done to demonstrate basic setup. Upcoming events, product. So now we want to add a product, and one will be the house cleaning. Okay, house. And then you really do want to add a longer description, but we're going to just get this done. Okay. And then we want to get a picture ultimately for house cleaning that you want. So we're just going to use your picture again. Okay.
Okay.
Out. Okay, include contact information. We want that so that they can easily contact you. Create that. And then we do not want to just share this with everyone right now. And then house cleaning. And then what I want you to do is write up something for give a little more text for this, okay? And then think what would be a picture and make sure it's a picture you have rights to use. Then we can add galleries, so if you get some good before and after pictures, we can add that as well. The other thing I want before we stop to show you is going into here under email preferences is very important, because if you get way too many emails, that's where you control the amount of emails you get. Okay. So in the beginning, you'll get a number of emails. So you want to put on the calendar and spend a little bit of time with this. This completes this tutorial that was designed to just give a very brief, not comprehensive overview of signing up for Alignable. And I'll put the link for this page here and mine, and how you can connect to me if you're interested in the area below, as well as other resources I've put together on Alignable. This completes the video. This is Martin Brossman. Please leave your comments below. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you find it useful, share it with someone else. Have a great day.